And well, hello there. Somebody had posted a few weeks ago about what my van looks like on a daily basis. And I can already tell you it doesn't look anything like the vans that you see on Instagram or the beautiful Sprinter vans and all that stuff. I'm in a minivan, a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. Sorry about that. And that's another thing. When I do my videos, I don't necessarily like write up a script for it. I have an idea of what I want to talk about, but I like to just talk like we're chatting and what I'm doing right now. And this is what my van looks like pretty much on a daily basis. At some point, maybe I'll make it nice and proper and curate it and manicure it. But if you're looking for something really beautiful and Instagram worthy, this isn't it. I mentioned this in a previous video because I want to sort of show you what it looks like on the daily. I think that's important. For the beautiful stuff, you can find that in other builds. Or it could be that I'm just a total slob at this point. You decide, right? Okay, so fine. So you saw my van as it looks like on a daily basis. And yes, I could clean it up, but really, I didn't feel like cleaning it up this morning. And that's pretty much how it looks like for a majority of the time. Now, at some point, I will clean it up so I can have a nice van tour as I kind of want it to look like when I present it. But this is pretty much the look that I have. Yeah, it looks like somebody ransacked through my place. So I guess if it did happen, I probably wouldn't be able to tell at this point. Anyway, I'm going to ask you for a favor, and you probably already know it. So I need to cue that music. Right? And please like and subscribe and share my video. I'm trying to grow my YouTube. It'd be great if you could support it. I'd really love that. And I'm building up to that one day where I can go on an epic adventure, and I would love to take you guys with me and sort of show you, the van stuff. Also, at some point, maybe have enough time and resources to do a second build. I'm not sure, because this one here, I kind of really like it, but it's only really built for one person. And other things I want to do too is, if you have a van or you're building a van and you start up your own YouTube, I'm down to share how I grew my channel and the things that I did. For me, growing a channel, if I can get to the 1,000 subscriber, fantastic. If I can get the 4,000 hours of view time within the last 12 months, amazing. But that's to me, that's secondary or tertiary. My main thing is I want to be able to sort of provide cool stuff, neat stuff, provide that so that I can maybe help somebody. For example, the other day I posted up a link to my van tour, and somebody chimed in and said, hey, thanks very much, I got some ideas, I got some inspiration from it. That was cool to me, being able to help people. That makes it worthwhile. And as long as somehow it's helpful, as long as it's providing some value and the content is pretty interesting, whether it's me sort of just chatting about it or me showing stuff or going through some of my challenges and how to make this work, that's important to me. And whatever becomes of it is a byproduct of what I do. So I know views are important, I know hours are important, subscribers, but I think if I do everything the way I want to do them, the way I want to help people, the way I want to make this work for me, I think all that stuff will sort of come into play at some point. So I would like to be able to provide some value in that way. And if you have any comments, please post them. I love seeing the comments because it gives me an idea of the direction and also of where I'm going to be taking this, of things that the people maybe want to see and stuff. So please get involved, and thanks a lot for your help, and thanks very much for your support.